Google recently made it much harder to create multiple Gmail accounts. If you're stuck in the frustrating verify your number loop every time you try to sign up, this method may help you create a Google account without phone number verification. The phone verification prompt appears most often when creating an account directly through the Gmail app or the Play Store. So instead of using those apps, we're going to take a different path that leads to the same Google account creation page. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Click on Profile icon. Next, tap on Accounts. On top, tap on plus sign to add another account. Here, tap Create Account and choose the option for My Personal Use. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions and enter your details. Give your birthday and gender information. Select Gmail address and create a password, confirm it, and continue through the setup process. The account will be created successfully without asking for a phone number verification. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips